So it's the start of the old boys ride, the old Kent crew. So we've got Hydrox, Pashley, my bike doesn't count. Then we've got Chris on his second bike. Whoa, original inspired there, nothing that. Old boys reunion. Old Kent boys.
That was cash money.
This is the bonus of having a friend who's got a bike shop. Needs some repairs, just rock up to the car and he's got a whole bike shop in the back of his car. See, he's got a bit of a loose BB, no worries. A man with a plan, a man with the tools.
All the gear.
All the gear.
No idea. 40 Newton meters. Will probably do it. Yeah. Ooh. Should we go 45?
Oh, it is Christmas. It's okay for it.
Oh, it is, isn't it? I always forget, sorry.
Hashtag Holden Cycles, hashtag Hawkins, hashtag bikes.
Hashtag the Griffin's Head at Chillingdon. If you want to like lunch as well, you can come spend money, buy a Bianchi and get some lunch. I mean, what more can you want?
What a salesman, ladies and gentlemen, what a salesman. Yay!
I'm happy with that. That was just up there, wasn't it?
That's just the old man's group. Put your hand up if you've got a bad back at the minute. Yeah. Old man's group.
Lovely.
So you don't have any of your energy drinks anymore, any fancy coffees, or a mid-ride snack.
Oh, you might want to put it in the front, yeah.
Right, yeah, so we've got, Chris has got his vintage Pashley here. Hey, true legends of the sport will recognise this immediately. So give us a quick rundown about it, Chris.
So yeah, we've got the old 8-speed Durace derailleur, Shimano 8-speed chain, got the old Dave's chain device on there, Middleburn Trials Pro cranks, 22 tooth Middleburn ring, got the Odyssey triple trap pedals, which I'm sure a lot of people's shins have met some of these before.
I think everyone from the 90s and early 2000s has a pedal mark from these.
X-Lite saddle, Kevlar one, USC post. This holy grail thing, these are very hard to find, and I found 2 on eBay recently, so I was well over the moon. So the old TV series,
that's what you're
top
looking
tube
for.
dart, if you're ever doing one. Yeah, gone with that really crap Shimano V-brake with an Odyssey linear cable. Yeah, LX lever, 521 sucked rim on. I'm not sure if that's a sport or a bulb hub, but it's the disc mounted ones, so you can do the spline disc adapter on there. So the PDW bars, and please ignore the grips because it has a child grip shift grips.
Remember kids? Do any of you kids remember this on your trial bike? No, I bet you don't.
So Shakespeare grip shift.
Oh,
there's more. X-Lite Fatso rim.
Oh, let's get it.
And it's black, which is quite hard to find, but yeah, got one of those as well. So yeah, we've done. And the Hope TI skewers. See, it's more. The more you go round. Got the Hope traditional Hope TI skewers, but also Tioga factory tyres. These have probably seen better days, to be honest, but I got them fairly cheap. But yeah, I hope you like it. So this one is one of 2 that I've got. I just thought I'd put it together just for today, to be honest. I was up to like 1:30 this morning.
It's definitely the coolest bike here, and definitely the coolest bike we'll see on a ride for a while, I think. 20 years difference between these bikes, and they're both like top level comp bikes in their day. Look at the difference between that. Yeah, that's mad.
When I was looking at that,
See, I don't know what I prefer either.
apart from the bottom bracket.